Howdy, my name is Speedy Nall, and I'm doing my presentation on the Bright Study Hall. Study Hall is not a place most athletes want to go. There's a time constraint that is required, and there are consequences for not going. Most athletes are there 5 days a week for at least 2 hours at a time. It involves a lot of repetition. You do the same thing at the same time and same place. Most of the rooms in the Bright complex do not have windows. This means most of us sit in the cave with artificial lights trying to stay focused. I am lucky I work in a room with a window. It is a huge window that covers one whole wall. It has blinds. We can lower it if it is too bright for the computer screens, but that is rarely happen. The windows face the backside of the south end zone of Kyle Field. You would think this would keep this from providing the elements it would need to make it a restorative environment. But there is a secret to making this right. You have to sit in the right seat. From seats, you can see Spence Park. This seat is most characteristic of wandering in a small place. While Spence Park is relatively large, this view of it is fairly small and constrained. It allows your mind to leave the confine of Study Hall and move outdoor where large trees, green grass, picnic area, and a wildlife in the form of birds and squirrels. You can see if the sun is shining or if the clouds have taken over. You can tell if it is windy by the movement of the trees. You can tell the temperature by the dress of people walking in the park. You can't see the whole park, so your imagination is allowed you to create what it's thinking is on either side of the view. Better learning is one of the impact of biophilic design. Studies show that young kids do better in classrooms with natural light. So wouldn't the same thing be true for college students? From this seat, Spencer Park is clearly contributing to better learning. It reduces stress, improve intensity, and add to creativeness. Best of all, it is a great getaway from the grind of Study Hall. Appreciate y'all.